A broad coalition of churches, civic groups, and opposition formations has declared a new phase of struggle against President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government, vowing nationwide peaceful protests after the president signed Constitutional Amendment Act number 6 of 2026 into law. Sarabina Mashkobra Jimwajin's CAB3 massive protests. Will subscribe or like on the bill. I continue now. No more blame conscience. Sungano Yevano Obu Bano Domfakati, which is rebranded as the Constitutional Restoration Movement, announced the shift on 8 July 2026, a day after Mnangagwa ascended to what was formerly Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. CAB3 has been widely criticized for extending the presidency power over the judiciary. Yesterday, Tuesday, 7 July 2026, marked one of the most consequential days in the constitutional history of Zimbabwe. By assenting to Constitutional Amendment Act number 6 of 2026, the president completed a constitutional amendment process which Sungano Yevano has consistently maintained was fundamentally inconsistent with both the letter and the spirit of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, the coalition said in the statement. Sungano also announced a coordinated program of nationwide peaceful mass action as part of the campaign. It said consultations are already underway with churches, labor, students, women, youth, residents, business, veterans, and traditional leaders. Upon completion of these consultations, the nation will be informed of the agreed program and the date on which the nationwide peaceful mass action will commence. Our objective is to ensure that this becomes the broadest constitutional mobilization in Zimbabwe's democratic history. In what it called the Harare Declaration on Constitutional Restoration, the coalition made a direct appeal to the public and the regional bodies. In quotes, we shall pursue every lawful constitutional remedy until constitutional order is restored. We shall mobilize peaceful civic action in accordance with the Constitution of Zimbabwe, reject violence, hatred, intimidation, and destruction in all their forms. We call upon every Zimbabwean, irrespective of political affiliation, ethnicity, religion, age, or profession, to become part of the constitutional restoration movement. Toma developments are pangwa ino pina comment section videos of any more to be pamsor page to page. So subscribe or like children on the bell icon.